In my investing journey, I have come across many credit cards that reward you for using your card to make purchases. The type of rewards offered and the number of points you can earn depend on your bank and the purchases you made. However, till recently I came across a credit card that rewards users for paying rent. I just had to try it out. It is called the Bilt MasterCard. It offers card members a chance to earn rewards while paying what is likely their biggest monthly expense, rent. As if that isn't enough, it also has absolutely zero transaction fees on rent. Let's dive deeper into more details as you subscribe. Bilt MasterCard was developed to allow users to earn money while using a credit card to pay their rent. Since rent is often a significant expense for many, this card could offer an excellent opportunity to accumulate a good amount of rewards points. If your landlord or rental company doesn't take credit card payments, Bilt has an app that you can use to make a payment. You can use your Bilt MasterCard to make the payment, and then Bilt will send a check to your landlord or pay in whichever way your landlord prefers. When renters use the Bilt MasterCard, on-time payments will be reported to the credit bureaus. This can help renters build credit. Plus, paying the credit card bill on time and in full can help increase your credit score. This card has a protection feature to help renters avoid using up their credit line for rent payments and to avoid going into debt when paying rent. When the feature is enabled, the funds to cover the cost of rent are pulled directly from a linked bank account, and the cardholder's credit line is preserved. Some of the highlights of the Bilt MasterCard include: 1. The card has a welcome offer that allows new card members to earn 3 points per $1 spent on their first rent payment, up to 10,000 points. 2. No annual fee to use this card. 3. Card members will earn 1 point per $1 spent on all other non-rent purchases. 4. There are no fees charged to pay your rent with the card. 5. Card members can earn up to 2 points per $1 spent on rent, up to 4,000 points per month. How much they earn depends on their current rewards level. While this card can earn up to 2 points per $1 spent on rent, the exact earning rate depends on your Bilt Rewards tier level. Your tier level is determined based on how much you spend on non-rent purchases each month. And each tier has a different earning rate for rent purchases. Here's a look at the tiers. 1. Blue tier. Spend $250 in qualifying non-rent purchases in a calendar month and earn 1 point per $2 on your next rent payment. 2. Silver tier. Spend $1,000 in qualifying non-rent purchases in a calendar month and earn 1 point per $1 on your next rent payment. 3. Gold tier. Spend $2,000 in qualifying non-rent purchases in a calendar month and earn 1.5 points per $1 on your next rent payment. 4. Platinum tier. Send $3,500 in qualifying non-rent purchases in a calendar month and earn 2 points per $1 on your next rent payment. You can redeem points to pay for most of your expenses, which also include rent, if you have accumulated enough reward points for that. Currently, this credit card is available by invite only and for American residents only. But if you're interested, you can request early access to be considered. As I wait for the response and card, I will keep you updated.